Comets are one of the most fascinating phenomena in the universe. These icy bodies are believed to be remnants of the early solar system, and their collisions with other celestial bodies can provide valuable insights into the history and evolution of our solar system. To study comet collisions, scientists use a variety of advanced technologies that allow them to observe and analyze these events from space. One of the most commonly used technologies is spacecraft. These spacecraft are equipped with advanced instruments such as cameras, spectrometers, and magnetometers, which can collect detailed data about the comet's composition, structure, and magnetic field. Scientists also use computer models to simulate comet collisions and predict their effects. These models are based on data collected from spacecraft and allow scientists to better understand the complex interactions between comets and other celestial bodies. Telescopes are another technology used to analyze comet collisions. These telescopes allow scientists to observe the comet's trajectory and study the resulting impact crater, which can provide clues about the comet's composition and structure. The technologies used to analyze comet collisions are constantly evolving, and new innovations are being developed all the time. These technologies allow us to learn more about the history and evolution of our solar system and the universe. Thanks to these technologies, we can continue to push the boundaries of space exploration and unlock the secrets of the universe, one comet collision at a time.